Today we are doing Ganita Prakash grade 6 page number 60. Okay, so here the topic is digit sum of numbers. Okay, so everybody know we have the ones place digit, tens place digit, 100 place digit. So now if you add those digits, that is sum of digits. See here it is given, Komal observes that when she adds up digits of certain numbers, the sum is the same. So she finds the magic in this. For example, as it is shown here, 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 7 plus 6, the number is 176. So when she added all the digits, ones place digit 6, tens place digit 7, 100 place digit 1. The sum is again 14. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. The third number she has 545. So when she adds these digits, ones place digit 5 plus tens place digit 4, 100 place digit 5. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. So all the digits for all these numbers when she added, she got that the sum is same, which is 14. So now we will do some figure it outs for page number 60. NCERT Ganita Prakash. The first question is digit sum 14. That write other numbers whose digits add up to 14. Means you have to write these digits, these numbers whose sum of the digits will be 14. You can take any other number, okay? So this you can think and you can take, but I am showing you the solution for this. See, the first question, write other numbers. So you can take, there are many examples. The sum such numbers are 248, 248. So that means 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. Second number you can have 653, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. 356, sum of the digits 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. This is also giving 14. 815 if you take, so 8 plus 1 plus 5, that is also 14. So likewise the number of digits is not mentioned in the question. See, so the sum should be 14. These numbers are 3-digit numbers and these numbers are 5-digit numbers. You can take 4-digit numbers. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. The sum is 14. So you can take your own numbers as well. No need to copy this. Okay, and please show the sum as it was shown here. If you see in this green portion, the sum is shown. Yes, so likewise when you do these questions in the notebook, please show the sums. Okay, now the next question is, what is the smallest number whose digit sum is 14? So the smallest number will be, see, 59. Can you think of any number which is less than 59 but the sum is 14? See, if you take one digit 4, 4 plus 10, then it will be a 3-digit number. Okay, so the 2-digit number, which is the smallest number, all the numbers which you can make of in spite of any number of digits, the smallest number will be 59. What is the largest 5-digit number? 5-digit. There should be 5 digits whose sum is 14. So that will be 95,000, because 9 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 14 only. The last question of the question number 1, last part is, how big a number can you form having the digit sum 14? Can you make any even bigger number? So some of the numbers are given here, as you can see, 95, 9005, 9 lakh 5. Okay, likewise the many numbers, 3 more numbers are here. So you can just consider many more numbers as well by adding as many zeros in between. Okay, so can you make an even bigger number? So yes, As you can see, here 3 dots are given. So n number of zeros you can add in between. So it is infinite. Okay, you can make the one more, add 1 0. For left side take 9, right side take 5, and in between you add 1 1 0. Next time that will be bigger than, yeah, one place bigger than the previous number you will get. So this is the question number 1. Now we come to the second question. The second question is, find out digit sum of all the numbers from 40 to 70. Share your observations with the class. So this question to be done by you in your notebook. Take the numbers, find out the digit sums of all the numbers from 40 to 70. So after 40, the next number will be 41, next number will be 42, 43. Likewise, first you write the counting, and then side by side you just show the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits for 44 plus 0 4. For 41, sum of the digits 4 plus 1 5, then 4 plus 2 6, then 4 plus 3 7. So likewise you check and you share your observation with the class. Okay, so solve these questions in the notebook by writing these numbers and finding the digit sum. Great, good students. Now the third question. Calculate the digit sums of 3-digit numbers whose digits are consecutive. I hope you know the meaning of consecutive. Consecutive means lagatar, means one after another, just one after another. For example, 345. Do you see a pattern? Will this pattern continue? So you have to calculate the digit sum of 3-digit numbers whose digits are consecutive. As you can see, you can have 2, 3, 4, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, like this, consecutive numbers. If I take 1, 2, 3, see here, 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 2, 3, 4. Next will be 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 8, 9. Now after 9, the next digit is 10, which will be a 2-digit number. So this is the last, greatest 3-digit numbers which have the consecutive digits. Okay. So can you see the pattern here? If you do the digit sum, there is a pattern. This sum is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So what is the pattern you can observe? All the sums are multiple of 3. So will this pattern continue? If you take the next number, no, this pattern will not continue. I hope you understand. Enjoy your day and please do very carefully in your notebook. Show all the explanation whatever you understand. Thank you.